Hey gearheads, welcome back to CPP Tech. Today we're tackling one of the toughest parts of any Chevy engine swap, the motor perch. If you're dropping a small or big block into your 1955-57 Chevy full-size, you know welding new tabs is a pain. Well, we've got a no-weld solution for you. Meet the CPP 1955-57 Chevy full-size small and big block engine perches. These perches bolt right onto your frame, no cutting, no welding, just bolt-on simplicity. CPP's perches also provide 3/4 inch forward offset, which moves the engine forward for proper clearance. Traditional perches require you to weld new tabs, align everything perfectly, then grind and paint. One mistake, and you're back to square one. CPP's perches give you a bolt-on design which attaches directly to factory frame holes, no welding needed. With these CPP perches, you're saving time and headaches with a guaranteed fit. Each perch is laser cut from heavy-gauge steel, finished in durable black powder coat, and designed specifically for 1955-57 Chevy full-size frames. These perches accept CPP motor mount pads. Simply slide your pad in, bolt your motor mount on, and you're ready for your Chevy small or big block swap. With your engine in place, you'll notice the perfect forward offset, which gives clearance for headers, accessory drive brackets, and better firewall distance, which is critical on full-size frames. No grinding, no painting afterward, and the strength is just as good as weld-on tabs. That's CPP quality, built for the street, tested on the track. So if you're planning an engine swap on your Tri-5 Chevy, these will save you hours in the shop. CPP also offers a LS engine adjustable mounting plate bracket kit with polyurethane pads that pairs perfectly with these CPP perches for those builders doing an LS engine swap. Grab yours now at classicperform.com. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.